Are sleepless nights stealing your energy and peace? If you're over 50, waking up tired doesn't have to be your new normal. These simple, science-backed exercises can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake refreshed. Start tonight and discover how movement can transform your sleep and improve overall health. Number 1. Evening walking. One of the easiest and most effective exercises for improving sleep is a gentle evening walk. As people age, their natural sleep cycle often becomes less predictable. A 20 to 30-minute walk after dinner helps regulate your body's internal clock while reducing physical and mental tension accumulated throughout the day. Walking also encourages the production of serotonin, a hormone that later converts into melatonin, the body's natural sleep hormone. This process makes falling asleep easier without relying on medication. Choose a quiet neighborhood, local park, or even your backyard if possible. Walk at a comfortable pace instead of rushing. Focus on breathing slowly and deeply while swinging your arms naturally. Avoid using your phone during the walk because bright screens may delay melatonin production. Comfortable walking shoes and loose clothing will make the experience more enjoyable. Consistency is more important than speed or distance. Walking at the same time every evening trains your brain to recognize that bedtime is approaching. Many adults in the United States notice improved sleep quality after only a few weeks of regular evening walks. Besides promoting better sleep, walking also improves heart health, supports healthy weight management, reduces stress, and strengthens muscles and joints. This simple daily habit can become one of the most powerful tools for achieving restful, uninterrupted sleep naturally every single night. Number 2. Gentle neck and shoulder stretches. Stress often builds up in the neck and shoulders throughout the day, especially after working on a computer, driving, or performing household tasks. Tight muscles send signals to the brain that keep the body alert, making it harder to relax before bedtime. Gentle neck and shoulder stretching helps release this tension, lowers stress levels, and prepares your body for deep, restorative sleep. Begin by sitting comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder and hold for 15 to 20 seconds without forcing the movement. Return to the center and repeat on the opposite side. Next, gently roll your shoulders backward 10 times and forward 10 times. Finish by clasping your hands behind your back and opening your chest while breathing slowly and deeply. Perform these stretches in a quiet room with dim lighting about 30 minutes before bedtime. Never bounce or stretch to the point of pain. Smooth, controlled movements are the key to relaxing your nervous system. Many adults over 50 find that these simple stretches reduce headaches, improve posture, ease muscle stiffness, and promote a calmer state of mind. When practiced consistently, gentle stretching becomes an effective bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and remain asleep throughout the entire night. Number 3. Chair yoga before bed. Chair yoga is one of the safest and most relaxing exercises for adults over 50 who experience difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. Unlike traditional yoga, chair yoga provides support, making every movement comfortable and accessible regardless of flexibility or fitness level. Gentle stretching combined with mindful breathing reduces stress hormones while calming the nervous system, allowing your body to transition naturally into a restful sleep state. Sit upright in a sturdy chair with both feet firmly planted on the floor. Slowly raise both arms overhead while taking a deep breath, then lower them as you exhale. Twist your upper body gently to the right while holding the chair for support, then repeat on the left side. Next, lean forward slowly, allowing your arms to hang comfortably toward the floor while relaxing your neck and shoulders. End your routine by sitting quietly with your eyes closed, taking slow, deep breaths for several minutes. Practice chair yoga about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime in a peaceful room with soft lighting. Avoid rushing through each movement. Focus on steady breathing and smooth transitions between poses. With regular practice, chair yoga improves flexibility, reduces muscle stiffness, eases anxiety, relieves lower back discomfort, and encourages deeper relaxation. Many older adults in the United States report falling asleep faster and waking less often during the night after making chair yoga part of their nightly bedtime routine. Number 4. Deep breathing with gentle arm movements. Deep breathing combined with slow arm movements is an excellent exercise for calming both the body and mind before bedtime. As people grow older, stress, anxiety, and daily worries can keep the nervous system active long after the day has ended. Controlled breathing increases oxygen flow, lowers heart rate, and signals the brain that it is safe to relax. Adding gentle arm movements enhances circulation while releasing tension stored in the upper body. Stand or sit comfortably with your back straight. Slowly raise both arms out to your sides and then overhead while inhaling deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath briefly, then slowly lower your arms while exhaling through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times, maintaining slow, controlled breathing throughout the exercise. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid lifting them toward your ears. Perform this routine in a quiet environment free from distractions. Soft music or natural sounds may help create a peaceful atmosphere. If you feel dizzy, slow your breathing and rest before continuing. Practicing this exercise every evening helps reduce stress hormones, improves lung function, lowers blood pressure, and promotes mental relaxation. Many adults over 50 notice that their minds become quieter, making it easier to fall asleep naturally without tossing and turning. This simple breathing routine supports healthier sleep and better overall well-being every night. Number 5. Legs up the wall stretch. The legs up the wall stretch is a gentle restorative exercise that helps reduce physical fatigue while calming the nervous system before bedtime. This simple position encourages blood to flow back toward the heart, reduces swelling in the legs and feet, and relieves tension that builds after standing or sitting for long periods. For many adults over 50, this relaxing stretch becomes an effective way to prepare the body for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Find a clear wall and place a folded towel or soft pillow beneath your hips for extra comfort if needed. Sit sideways next to the wall, then carefully swing your legs upward while lowering your back onto the floor. Extend both legs comfortably against the wall and rest your arms by your sides with your palms facing upward. Close your eyes and breathe slowly through your nose for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow your entire body to relax with every exhale. Move into and out of this position slowly to avoid dizziness. If you have serious eye conditions, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or other medical concerns, consult your healthcare provider before trying this exercise. Practicing this stretch each evening can reduce muscle soreness, ease lower back discomfort, improve circulation, decrease stress, and encourage complete relaxation. Many older adults in the United States find themselves falling asleep faster and enjoying longer, more refreshing sleep after adding this peaceful exercise to their nightly bedtime routine. Number 6. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle movement that improves spinal flexibility while helping your body release tension before bedtime. As adults grow older, stiffness in the back and neck can make it difficult to relax comfortably enough to fall asleep. This simple exercise encourages smooth movement of the spine, improves breathing, and calms the nervous system. It is especially helpful after a long day of sitting, standing, or performing repetitive activities that leave the body feeling tight and uncomfortable. Begin on your hands and knees on a soft exercise mat or carpet. Position your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. As you slowly inhale, gently arch your back, lift your head, and look slightly upward into the cow position. Then exhale slowly while rounding your back toward the ceiling, lowering your head into the cat position. Move slowly between these two positions for 1 to 2 minutes while matching every movement with your breathing. Never force your back beyond a comfortable range of motion. If kneeling is uncomfortable, place a folded blanket beneath your knees for extra support. Regular practice reduces stiffness, improves posture, relieves lower back discomfort, and encourages full body relaxation. Many adults over 50 notice they feel calmer and physically lighter after completing this stretch. By easing muscle tension and reducing stress, the cat-cow stretch helps prepare both body and mind for deeper, longer, and more refreshing sleep every night. Number 7. Standing side stretch. The standing side stretch is a simple exercise that releases tight muscles throughout the sides of your body while encouraging deeper breathing before bedtime. Tightness in the shoulders, ribs, and lower back can create discomfort that makes falling asleep more difficult. This gentle stretch improves flexibility, increases circulation, and helps the body transition from daytime activity into nighttime relaxation. It is an excellent choice for adults over 50 because it requires no special equipment and can be performed almost anywhere. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and keep your knees slightly bent. Raise your right arm overhead while placing your left hand on your hip. Slowly lean your upper body toward the left until you feel a comfortable stretch along your right side. Hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds while breathing slowly and deeply. Return to the center and repeat the movement on the opposite side. Complete 3 stretches on each side without rushing. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Avoid bouncing or bending too far. The goal is gentle relaxation rather than intense stretching. Practicing the standing side stretch every evening helps reduce muscle tightness, improve posture, increase lung capacity, and relieve stress accumulated throughout the day. Many older adults find that this calming movement leaves them feeling lighter, more relaxed, and mentally prepared for sleep. Combined with slow breathing, this exercise can become a valuable part of a healthy bedtime routine that supports restful, uninterrupted sleep naturally. Number 8. Seated forward bend stretch. The seated forward bend stretch is a calming exercise that gently relaxes the back, hips, and legs while quieting the mind before bedtime. As people age, tight hamstrings and lower back muscles often contribute to discomfort that interferes with restful sleep. This slow stretch reduces muscle tension, encourages relaxation, and helps activate the body's natural relaxation response, making it easier to fall asleep and remain asleep throughout the night. Sit on the floor, bed, or a firm mat with your legs extended comfortably in front of you. Keep your back as straight as possible while taking a slow, deep breath. As you exhale, gently bend forward from your hips, reaching toward your knees, shins, or feet without forcing the movement. Rest your hands wherever they comfortably reach and hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds while breathing slowly and evenly. Return to the starting position and repeat the exercise 3 to 5 times. If your hamstrings feel tight, place a rolled towel beneath your knees or slightly bend your legs to reduce strain. Never stretch to the point of pain. This relaxing exercise improves flexibility, reduces lower back stiffness, calms the nervous system, and lowers physical tension built up during the day. Many adults over 50 report sleeping more peacefully after including the seated forward bend stretch in their nightly routine, helping them wake refreshed, energized, and ready for a healthier new day. Number 9. Progressive muscle relaxation exercise. Progressive muscle relaxation is one of the most effective bedtime exercises for improving sleep quality after the age of 50. This technique teaches your body to recognize the difference between muscle tension and complete relaxation. As stress accumulates throughout the day, many muscles remain slightly tight without you realizing it. Releasing this hidden tension helps slow your heart rate, calm your breathing, and prepare your body for restful, uninterrupted sleep naturally. Lie comfortably on your bed or on a soft exercise mat with your arms resting at your sides. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath through your nose. Tighten the muscles in your feet for 5 seconds, then completely relax them while exhaling. Move upward through your calves, thighs, hips, stomach, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, and finally your face. Gently tense each muscle group for 5 seconds before relaxing it for 10 to 15 seconds. Focus on the pleasant feeling of relaxation spreading throughout your body after every release. Avoid holding your breath or tightening muscles so hard that they become painful. The goal is gentle awareness rather than maximum effort. Practicing progressive muscle relaxation every evening reduces anxiety, lowers stress hormones, relieves physical tension, and quiets racing thoughts. Many older adults in the United States experience faster sleep onset, fewer nighttime awakenings, and improved morning energy after making this calming exercise a consistent part of their bedtime routine. Number 10. Tai Chi Flow for better sleep. Tai Chi is a slow, graceful exercise that combines gentle movement, controlled breathing, and focused attention. Often described as meditation in motion, Tai Chi has been shown to improve balance, reduce stress, and promote better sleep among older adults. Its slow-flowing movements calm the nervous system while reducing muscle tension and mental anxiety, making it an excellent bedtime activity for people over 50 who struggle with sleep disturbances. Stand comfortably with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe slowly through your nose. Begin by slowly shifting your weight from one foot to the other while gently moving your arms in smooth, circular motions as though you are slowly pushing water. Continue these flowing movements for 10 to 15 minutes while maintaining calm, steady breathing. Focus your attention on each movement instead of thinking about daily worries or tomorrow's responsibilities. Move slowly and never rush through the exercise. If standing becomes uncomfortable, perform similar arm movements while seated in a sturdy chair. Practicing Tai Chi regularly improves circulation, enhances balance, reduces stress, supports joint flexibility, and encourages emotional relaxation. Many adults over 50 in the United States report sleeping longer, waking less frequently during the night, and feeling more refreshed in the morning. This peaceful exercise offers a natural, enjoyable way to support healthy sleep and overall well-being for years to come.